From the leader of the worldwide massage chair industry, the new double-engine design takes the pursuit of exceptional comfort and therapy to new heights. More than 50 years of expertise built into our newest massage chair. 5 new and proprietary technologies and the industry's first 8-axis intelligent massage system. Shiatsu Ring Deep Kneading Design. Duet Twin Engine Massage. Optical Sensor Digital Pressure Point Detection System. And an extraordinary 140 centimeter long combined massage stroke length. The industry's first 8-axis intelligent massage system. In addition to movement to the left and right of a center axis, forward and backward from a plane parallel to your back, and up and down along a center axis. Our new intelligent massage system adds rotational movements about the center axis, creating an extraordinary array of nuance and movement never before possible in any other massage chair. Our unique design allows for differential massage of the left and right side of the body, the only chair designed to offer asymmetrical massage to help balance your body. The 75 centimeter long stroke length of the upper body intelligent massage system extends from the neck to the hips. Shiatsu Ring Deep Knead. Offering pressure point foot massage. Stimulates a professional massage from the base of the foot to the toes, never achieved before in any massage chair. Equipped with a dedicated session specifically for soles of the feet. Powerful, relaxing massage providing pressure point massage for the entire foot. Duet Twin Engine design delivers further comfort. Its proprietary movements perfectly position the whole body to receive therapy that mimics hands of a massage expert. The lower body mechanism pushes the entire torso up to improve shoulder massage intensity and depth. A shoulder stretch is achieved as Duet grasps one arm while the intelligent massage system applies deep pressure. By pulling up on the neck and pulling down on the legs, Duet delivers a comfortable full body stretch. New and advanced optical sensor digital pressure point detection system detects a total of 48 pressure points. 26 pressure points more than any of our earlier designs. Extraordinary and unmatched stroke length totaling 140 centimeters. The upper body intelligent massage stroke length of 75 centimeters is combined with the lower body massage mechanism stroke of 65 centimeters. This offers true total body massage coverage, and only family INADA's Duet Twin Engine massage technology offers complete coverage. Zero gravity angle evenly distributes body weight and places you in a comfortable, ideal position for a massage. The Duet Twin engines are carefully choreographed in each massage session to encourage healthy circulation. Blood flow is encouraged outward, away from the heart, to relax the whole body and mind, inducing meditation or sleep. Blood flow is encouraged inward toward the heart and body's core to invigorate and wake up the body. Pursuing ease of use and comfort. Hand warmers provide soothing heat to the hands to help relax the whole body. In addition to this, we have a meticulous attention to detail. Our new premium model, the only duet designed to maximize comfort, relaxation, and full body therapy. Over 50 years of massage know. Only the best. Only from family INADA.